Hello everyone, my name is Megan Stacey. I'm the artist in residence for the Tech Lab, and this is the second of a series of workshops we're going to be doing on art and technology throughout the season. This is the first of our cell phone photography workshop with a total of 4 classes. If you'd like to participate in classes in the future, please reach out to the Tech Lab. Today we're talking about the infamous selfie. Selfies have gotten a bad rap since the invention of the iPhone and the duck face, but selfies are as old as art themselves. Whether that was because they were the only subjects in the studio, or because they wanted to mark themselves as pioneers in the medium, the photographic self-portrait was born. The values of the selfie are numerous. First, as a photographer, they can make you more comfortable in front of the camera as well as behind it. Knowing what you like in a photo is going to make you able to better pose your subjects when taking portrait photos in the future. Second, selfies are a powerful documentation of a time. Photographers act as archivists. A selfie is a document of exactly where somebody is, wearing what, at what setting, and what time. Having millions of snapshots of everybody across the world at one day and one time is an incredible act of documentation, and by taking a selfie, you're participating in that. Finally, selfies give you the most control. A candid photo of yourself taken by somebody else can often cause a bout of low self-confidence. The selfie puts all of the power in your hands, making sure you are in control of how you're being perceived. Now that we know how valuable the selfie is, let's learn to take better ones. For day-to-day purposes of showing off your new haircut or whatever restaurant you're at, I have a prop. The arms out slightly below angle front-facing camera is an absolute must. But for our adventure into self-portraiture, we're going to be trying something different. For this, try to use your cell phone's self-timer feature. Use your front camera so you know exactly the shot you're lining up and taking. Or use your back camera to enjoy a little bit of guesswork in what's being made. Take hundreds of shots. Digital photographers have that advantage of being able to take millions of shots and only choose a few. Take advantage of that. Fill up your camera roll. Try engaging your whole body, flailing your arms out, jumping up and down, jumping over the camera, or stay completely still, engaging your eyes right with the lens. Try to involve motion in your photos, whether that be the camera, props in your shot, or your body. Bring in props, costumes, and set pieces. Make yourself up to be a rock star, or maybe obstruct your face entirely. Try shooting from different angles, maybe laying your cell phone on the ground or taping it up to your ceiling safely. Think of color, light, and the framing around you, your subject. Most of all, do not worry about looking attractive. In this selfie, you are using your body as an art object. Try to find the photo that is the most visually engaging as a piece of artwork, not necessarily the one where you look the best. Most of all, have fun with it. The selfie is one of the most accessible forms of art making we have, so take advantage of that. Play around, mess around, get ugly. Most of all, we cannot wait to see what you make.